beginning by the name of Allah, who is the most merciful and kind. This is a smart tool from British Institute. This channel is based on knowledge. You are kindly requested to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Who are they? Where are they? What are they doing?
Presently Asma is in her house. She is sitting on a wooden chair. She is holding a coat and fixing it. Heather is Asma's husband. He is sitting before her. He is fixing clothes too. Roshi is sitting next to Heather. She is Heather's sister. Right now she is helping Asma and Heather. They are working together. They are fixing clothes. At this moment a man is coming in. He is wearing dark clothes. He is carrying a pile of clothes. They are all working very hard.
The present continuous tense.
Also called the present progressive tense.
What is he doing?
He's playing football now.
Asma, what are you doing?
I'm teaching.
The present continuous affirmative sentences.
I am or I'm. You, we, they are. He, she, it is.
The present continuous interrogative and negative sentences. Is he playing football now?
No, he isn't. He is running.
What is she doing?
She is drawing a picture.
The present continuous spelling rules. A single, silent E at the end of the word is dropped before ing.
Example, come, coming.
The final consonant after a short, stressed vowel is doubled before ing.
Example, sit, sitting.
The final consonant after the second stressed syllable is doubled before ing.
Example, begin, beginning.
The letter L's final consonant after a vowel is always doubled before ing.
Example, travel, traveling.
Mind, this applies only for British English. In American English there is usually only one L.
An IE at the end of the word becomes Y before ing.
Example, lie, lying.
We use the present continuous tense to talk about
things that are happening now, at the time when we are talking.
Mum's mowing the lawn, and I'm doing my homework, but Asma isn't doing anything. The children aren't asleep, they're messing about.
Come on, you're not trying.
When you give a short answer to a question, it is normal to echo the auxiliary but not the main verb.
Are you teaching English?
Yes, I am.
Is Amna Ijaz working in the library?
No, she isn't. A temporary activity, even if it is not happening at the time when we are talking.
I'm studying German at college.
I'm thinking of getting a new car.
A temporary situation in contrast to a permanent situation.
I'm living in Dubai at the moment.
Roshi is working in the British Institute over the holidays.
A changing state or situation.
My headache is getting better.
The daylight is slowly fading.
The circumstances under which something is generally done.
I have to wear glasses when I'm driving.
Everyone has to wear mask when they are entering the bank.
Arrangements for future events along with a time adverb or phrase.
I am flying to Washington next week.
He is getting married in March 2021.
We also use it to express annoyance at a repeated action. In this case, one of the following adverbs is used with the verb, always, forever, constantly, continually.
You're always whining about something.
She's forever laughing and making silly comments.
What are you doing?
We are making sandwiches.
I am teaching English.
He's reading a book.
John's driving his father's car while his own car is in the workshop.
They're temporarily living with his Uncle Fred. They'll stay there until they find an apartment.
Julia's working in Chicago this month.
I'm studying in Berlin this year.
They're swimming every morning.
I'm eating a lot of bread these days.
You're always talking a lot.
They are constantly fighting with each other. You're forever losing your mobile.
We're meeting Prime Minister at 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon.
Roshi is meeting Khalid for coffee this evening.
I am going to play football tomorrow.
I know smoking is bad for me. I'm going to quit sometime this year.
He is going to be just like his father when he grows up.
Subscribe, like and share please, thank you. It is all for you.